Hi everyone, and today we've been joined by the
cutie girl 200.
Yeah, and we are going. Go away.
Go away, boy!
We're distracted.
Oh my gosh, what the heck?
Okay, ready? Follow me. We're gonna go in the game.
The game? What game?
Okay, close your chat.
Okay, wait a sec.
Hide your chat.
I can't wait. Hi, chat. Okay.
I'll go this.
Where are you?
Here, at the games. What?
I know it jumps you. I'm here.
Okay, go to the games. Go. I'm in.
Okay.
Are you in?
Come on.
Get to me.
Come
Go here.
I'm going.
You will log in first. What's your password?
Loading the door zero.
You're already being registered. Go change your name.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, guys, I'll be right back.